In today's activity, we are going to work on something called error detection. So you may want to pause this video right now and grab a piece of paper and a pencil if you have one around, and draw a staff, please, with our 5 lines. If you need to pause the video to do so now, please do that. If you have something ready, great. Here's what will happen. I'm going to point and I'm going to sing this pattern that is up on the top of our screen. What I'd like for you to do is you are going to write what you hear. Now, I might make a mistake while I'm singing. I want you to write what you hear. So it might be different than what you see right here. So for example, this pattern is do, mi, so, mi. I said do, do, so, mi. You would write out the do, and your paper would not have me. You would have that do right there. So, me. So you are going to write what you hear, not necessarily what you see on the page. There will be anywhere from 0 to 2 mistakes in each activity. So first 2 we're going to do will be like this, and then we're going to keep working on some rhythmic stuff as well along with this. All right, here we go. So hopefully your paper and pencil is ready. We are going to start right here with the top one. All right, please write what you hear. Mi, mi, so, mi. I will sing that for you again. Mi, mi, so, mi. One more time. This time I'm not going to track it for you. Mi, mi, so, mi. If you need some time to continue writing, pause the video. If you're ready to go, we're going to move on to this one right here. All right, here we go. So, mi, re, do. Make sure you write what you hear, not necessarily what you see. I will sing the pattern for you 2 more times. Here I go. So, mi, re, do. And last time. So, mi, re, do. If you need some more time to write, you may go ahead and pause the video. If you're ready to move on, we're going to move on. These patterns you're going to notice have some rhythms in them, so it's going to be a little bit more challenging. I'm going to give you a couple of seconds before we do our error detection to sing those patterns in your head. Oops, let me move over here to the key of G, since that's what our other activity was in. So take a look at these patterns. Oh my. There we go. Take a look at these 2 patterns. If you need to practice reading those, now would be the time. In a couple of seconds, we're going to go ahead and get started. All right, we're taking a look up at this one right here. If you need any time to quickly write down your staff, you're more than welcome to pause the video at any time. I'm going to go ahead and sing the pattern. Remember to write what you hear. Here I go. So, mi, so, mi, re. I'll sing the pattern for you 2 more times. So, mi, so, mi, re. And last time, see if you can find that error, if there is one. So, mi, so, mi, re. All right, if you need more time, pause the video. If you're ready to move on, we're moving on to the next one. All right, here I go. Do, do, re, re, mi, mi, so. Make sure you write what you hear. I'll sing the pattern for you 2 more times. Do, do, re, re, mi, mi, so. And last time. Do, do, re, re, mi, mi, so. All right, if you need some more time, go ahead and pause the video. I'm going to go ahead and move it to the next group of patterns. All right. Here's our last two patterns that we're going to be doing error detection with today. You're going to notice that we have moved on to our 6/8 patterns. So we've got do's, do-dotties, and some do-dees in there. Please remember, write what you hear. Write what you hear. Give you a couple of seconds to think what these patterns sound like in your head to read them. All right, here we go. Do, do, mi, so. Write what you hear. 2 more times. Do, do, mi, so. See if you can find if I made an error. Last time. Do, do, mi, so. All right. If you need more time to write that down, go ahead and pause the video. If not, let's move on to our last pattern for this activity. Last pattern. All right, here I go. Mi, so, mi, do. Write what you hear. Mi, so, mi, do. And last time. Mi, so, mi, do. All right. If you need a couple seconds to finish up writing those patterns, that is fine. I thank you for trying that out today. Hopefully, you felt really successful with that and had some good practice with writing your patterns.